안녕하세요. Hello K-friends. I'm hoping that you all are doing very well. Last weekend, my husband and I went to grocery shopping. My husband wore a blazer and a hoodie. It was my first time for him to wear a kind of unusual outfit. Well, actually, he looked pretty good. So I was thinking that sometimes getting out of a typical stereotyped routines can make a fresh mind. Today's menu is like in that category. It's tofu curry. Obviously, it's not a Korean cuisine, but the tofu curry would go well with other Korean cuisines, especially kimchi and rice. So let's make a curry tofu together. Please feel free to like the video and hit the subscription button. Thank you. I'm going to use a soft tofu today. Using soft tofu tastes better than using hard tofu for me. Cut the tofu into appropriate sizes like this. Cut tofu into cubes. Remove moisture with a kitchen towel. Put 3 tablespoons of starchy powder in the plastic bag. Put tofu in the bag and shake it well. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to the preheated pan. Put the tofu in the pan. Grill the tofu well until it turns golden brown. If you grill tofu and cook it, it tastes much better than just adding tofu. Tofu is an important source of protein, especially for vegans and vegetarians. It contains no cholesterol and is an excellent source of iron and calcium. It's naturally gluten-free and low in calories. Put the grilled tofu in a bowl. Slice the onions. Cut the carrots into appropriate sizes. Cut the bell peppers into a bit small size. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the preheated pan. Put the sliced onions. Stir fry onions until it turns translucent over high heat. Add carrots and stir fry them. When the carrots are cooked, they taste sweeter. Stir fry for about 3 minutes and add 3 cups of water. Boil them. When it starts to boil, add the pork curry blocks. Or add 6 tablespoons of curry powder. Personally, I prefer to use the curry blocks because it has a deeper taste. Mix it well. The curcumin contained in curry is said to be effective in anti-cancer, strengthening immunity, and preventing dementia. Finally, add grilled tofu and bell peppers. Boil for another 1 to 2 more minutes. If it's a little bland, add a bit of soy sauce. Put the rice in the bowl. Put the tofu curry on top. You can put a fried egg if you like it. This is an optional. Very simple but savory and healthy tofu curry is done. Curry is applied to many American cuisines, such as curried chicken salad sandwich, and many people love it. Likewise, the combination of curry and tofu delivers pretty soft flavor and texture. I believe it will be a great healthy one-dish meal. Hope you give it a try this weekend. Have a great day. See you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.